Hey guys, this says, what value of x proves the angles below are vertical? Well, what do we know about vertical angles? They are across from each other and they are equal, they are congruent. So to find out if these two are what x proves they're vertical, we're going to start by using Desmos. So see that 2x plus 48? Let's start by typing 2x plus 48. Then we need that to be equal to the other side. So we're going to go to the next line. 5x plus 9. Okay, so we're going to try to figure out how to make 2x plus 48 the same as 5x plus 9. So how are we going to do that? We're going to do that by plugging in x values until they are the same. You can also solve this longhand, which I can show you afterwards, but if you don't want to do that, if you just want to use your calculator, you're welcome to just do that. So if I put in a 0, they're close, but not that close, so let's keep trying. Looks like they're getting a little closer. Let's make sure. Yeah, I think they are. So let's keep going. I'm going to go ahead and jump to 8. I wouldn't recommend you do that just because sometimes you have to really understand how your numbers are working. Oops, 11 did not work. Oh, maybe 11 didn't. So you have to kind of be careful about jumping, but I'm going to do it just to save some time here. There you go. So our answer is 13. Okay, x equals 13. But now let's look at this and see if we can figure it out the long way. If you don't want to learn how to solve it this way, you can go ahead to the next video. But for those of you that do want to learn how to solve it this way, I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to make that an equal sign. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take that 5x. Since it's positive, I'm going to subtract it from both sides. I just used the same number so that I could save space. So 2x minus 5x gives you negative 3x. Please use Desmos for that. That plus 48 hasn't been touched, so we got to drop it down, equals 5x minus 5x, that's gone, and you end up with a positive 9. I'm going to go ahead and put my sign there just because I don't want to forget or misunderstand what that sign is. So I'm going to come back over here. I have to eliminate my constant. So, for example, I'm going to show you 9 minus 48 is negative 39. Sometimes using Desmos is worth it just to make sure. Now I've got negative 3x on this side because my 48 went away. So I'm going to divide each side by a negative 3. So I'm going to go down to my next line and I'm going to take negative 39 and I'm going to divide that by a negative 3. And that gives me x equals 13. And if you look up here in Desmos, when we had x equals 13, it showed us that both sides were the same. So you can definitely solve it and check your answer, or you can find the answer first and then solve it just to make double sure. Okay? See you later, guys.